Hey everyone, welcome to the fourth devlog for Medieval Crafter. First of all, I implemented a terrain asset obtained for free from the Unity Asset Store. This terrain not only enriches the aesthetic appeal of our game, but also provide a more immersive environment for the players. To complement this terrain upgrade, I've implemented a robust automatic and random spawning system for resources. I created a spawning script associated with terrain. This script is configured with customizable parameters, including an array of resources objects, the desired quantity for resources to generate, and also an adjustable minimum and maximum spawn distance between the resources. There is also a random seed to maintain the position of resources through all the gameplays, and the terrain is divided in 12 terrains, so I have associated the script with every of them. In addition, I have introduced a dynamic health bar system linked directly to the resources encountered by the player. This health bar provides visual feedback on the condition of the resource, and the player, with his tool, can reduce the health, and when the health reaches zero, the resource vanish from the game world. As you can see, the resource is now destroyed. Stay tuned for more updates.